What is up, everybody? This is Kundai and welcome back to this channel. If this is your first time to be on this channel, don't forget to like this video and subscribe to this channel so that you will not miss every time I upload videos, because we do that every single day. So today we are talking about Mkoma wanonzi Mkoma Greatman. But before we talk about Mkoma Greatman, we want to talk about Mambo Dhuterere. You know, guys, we did a video a few days ago tikataura nyaya yekuti isusu pane vanonzi Mambo Dhuterere. Mambo Dhuterere zvavakaita isusu taita rachiti Mambo Dhuterere takaona iseri picture yaifamba yanga ina Mambo Dhuterere kuti yanga ina Mambo Dhuterere but yanga ine picture yemusikana anga akatakura zvaanga akatakura handisika, then pabudiswa pakanzi liked by Mambo Dhuterere handiti. So pakaita noise isusu tikatanga kutaura nezvazvo tikati Mambo Dhuterere waita sei chezvo, because isitoziva kuti Mambo Dhuterere munhu waMwari ende munhu wekuti taitovaziva nekutotiudza isusu kuti nyaya yekutsotsonyana nekurovana nhingirikini nekunhingirana nekutwabamurana nekutswibidana kwamuri kuita hamene zvenyu gena rotungidzwa muchatswibidwa kana mukaenda kusaidi kuseri. So vakataura zvinhu zvakawanda. I think everybody knows nyaya iyoyo. Vakataura zvakawanda, vanhu vakapopota vakati Mambo Dhuterere nobody can stop reggae. So nyaya yacho yakanetsa. So vanhu vanga kuti Mambo Dhuterere kuingwa nemakulaika vanhu zvinhu zvakadai, so zvazosvika papi handiti. So we did a video nichiexplaina nyaya iyoyo. Then I started getting some more information. The information that I got is that Mambo Dhuterere havasiriwo vakalaika picture yaya. It was not Mambo Dhuterere, yanga iri a fake account, cannot a ghost account. I can't say a ghost account, I can say a fake account, because a ghost account inenge isina a specific munhu inenge yakananga inonanga yangonzi vamutema handiti vangonzi vamutema, so you never know kuti vamutema ndevako handiti, kana inenge yangonzi Mr. Ivu handiti, nobody really knows kuti Mr. Ivu wacho ndiani. So kana iri fake account manje inogona nge iri yakanzi Kundai Chitima, asi asiri Kundai Chitima ari kutaura paaccount iyo, kana inongonzi Prophet Hubert Angel, iyo vasiriwo, ende account inenge iri fake inogona kuuya kwauri ikatoti shamari iwewe pane zvandaona pauri, I need you to give a seed. Kana waisa seed then tobva taita ziyazvi tobva takubatsira tokukomborera paunesa mari ubvaona havachabatikira nayo. So those are some of the things zvinoitika nemafake account. So pane a fake account yaive ichitaura ichiti iyo ndiyo Mambo Dhuterere, ndo yakasvika ichilika that picture. So Mambo Dhuterere explained it to us and we now understand what really happened. So guys, if you're going to be seeing that video, or if you have seen that video, now you know kuti it was not Mambo Dhuterere. It was someone else who did that. Though isusu takangotaurawo tichitaura zvatofunga tichiti, but in the event kuti Mambo Dhuterere has liked it. He's a human being, and some of you guys were actually telling me in the comments kuti he's a human being, and it's just that munhu wekuti akanga portray kuti ndi, you know, like vanhu vari holy veve. Saka tikazoona manje vanhu vari holy vakutanga kufarira zvimwe titauzobvunza kuti kwakanaka here, asi maybe they vanga vangoita sezvakati ana Prophet Passion. Prophet Passion ndokaveziveziya vanotaura zvavanoda, and he expresses himself. That times vanotaura kuti musikana uyu ari pane musa wakatombotaura nengomusika vachitaura. Okay, let's not talk about it. But there was a time yavakataura vari kuStar FM. Ndakatonzwawo paStar FM ini vachiti iwe mira pane ngomusikana akanaka zvisingaiti anga ari panapa, musikana ari kupi anoona. Then pavaita ngomusikana futi vari kuStar FM panga ri ZFM. KuStar FM pane musikana akafona akati ndoda kuti lunch nemi, akatotaura kuti tipe number. So I don't know if you want to have lunch na Prophet Passion Java, just try to find a way of getting in touch with him. I believe with one of you never know. Okay, so let's talk about nyaya Mkoma Greatman. So what happened is Greatman is now married. So we say Mkoma Greatman, congratulations on your marriage, and we wish you the best on your journey that you've just started, because I can assure you marriage is a journey. and kukwidza makata kunzvenga uchipinda pamwe pakadai pamakata pamwe pane mapoto pamwe pane chii. So there's need for people to be very strong if they are getting into marriage. So what happened is Mambo Dhuterere, sorry, let's talk about Kundai Chitima. That is the name that is on social media. Greatman. I'm not really sure his real name, and so you can tell me in the comments about it, right? So Vakarora, that was Nezuro. He posted something like this. I think you can see this. I will try to post. I will try to send you these ones. I'll put it somewhere on the side. marriages andona. So mukoma Greatman vazopindura vazotaura something about that issue. So he posted a very long message. He posted it in Nezuro around it was almost midnight when he posted it. So it seems as if it's something that was like it was concerning to him, because when you see someone posting that time of the day, it might be something that is really bothering them. It was not him, and so guys, we are just giving you this, but I think it's him. That's what I think, because I tried to do some verifications trying to understand is it really him. But some of the accounts I've seen account Chitima live pavanenge Greatman andona. So that might suggest kuti probably munhu wacho ane account iyoyo anotombera time anoenda pana Greatman, or he knows Greatman or something like that. So that's why I'm saying this. So that is what he said. He said, I'm now happily married, and we say congratulations, guys. Congratulations to you, Greatman. May God bless you. And so he said, I know a lot has been said about her character by some who have a belief that she has other intentions. So he says, I know a lot has been said about her character. I don't know what is her character, because what I did? I tried to find Silvaziso Masara on social media, but I couldn't find a lot. It's like Papa Snazunzakawanda. Papa got born in 1995, or I don't know if it is true that she was born in 1995. And then Banatongona pictures, I think a few days ago. So it's not like Guti Silvazi, so you know there's a specific character I display or I portray. So honestly, personally, I don't know. If you know, please let us know in the comment section about it, if there is any. So that is what he said. He said, I know a lot has been said about a character by some who have got a belief that she has other intentions. So there are people who are saying they've got other intentions about this lady. They are saying this lady might be having other intentions. Like one of them that is, maybe you can say one of the most popular ones, is an issue kuti munhu anogona ngaida kutsvaga mbiri handisika nemunhu ane mbiri kudara. For example, what was said about Maititi and anonzani Zizo, and all along it has been happening kuvarume, zvichinzi varume tisi toda kuenda tinotora vanhu vane mbiri kudhara toda kutsvaga mbiri navo handisika. So this time manje it seems as if it's a lady. According to some people, I'm not saying that is what she's trying to do. So I'm saying what this man has said, Greatman. So he said some people have got a belief that she has other intentions, but honestly, as unbelievable as it seems, or as hilarious as some of you think, he's saying as hilarious as some of you think it is. So he's saying there are some people who are thinking this is hilarious, Greatman vane mukadzi. I don't know why would someone think like that. Could you think it is hilarious? For the why? Why would you think so? Is he not a human being? Okay, I don't know. Let's continue going. So he said, as honestly, as unbelievable as it seems, or as hilarious as some of you think it is, the indisputable fact is what brought us together is unconditional love. So we really want to say we appreciate God. We appreciate, I don't know what you believe in. Like, we appreciate everything that is good that is happening in their lives. So we are going to do everything within our power to try and give a blind eye to all the negative comments and appreciate those who are supportive. Yes, that is it, Ngoma Greatman. If you are hearing this, that is how it is. People are always saying negative things. So you just have to try as much as you can to just turn a blind eye towards those comments. Because whatever you do, people will always say something. If you check, apana mnasingatu, ukadasa pa ma picture Nelson Chamisa jewo anotukwa anotorina anotomtuka whatever idiyare kachikotukwa ukaenda panani anybody apana munhu asingambotuka ukatoenda panana madam boss panotorina mwana wangu achitoatuka ukaenda chero pana machesu pana mwana wangu achitotuka. So kana ukanga utori a public figure, just know that there are people who will be saying some things that are negative about you or to you, or like, they are just people, they are human beings, they have got their own issues. Some people will be having their own issues. I don't know, but my issues are where. So it's one of those things. We have seen that in personal life. I've seen negative comments everywhere, especially here on my channel. Guys, you have seen that people coming in and start up saying, but some of us, we don't even really care, because it's one of those things. One of my issues vamwe vanenge vachibhurikana neshuwa, vamwe vanenge vachitongobhurikana nezvauri kuita, all those kinds of things. So zvongoda kungoshinga Ngoma Greatman, it's one of those things. So I just want to be clear on one thing: my condition doesn't make me useless. Yes, it's true, it doesn't make you useless. That's very true. I have proven in most cases to be worthy of being called human among humans, so I take such negativity as nothing but discrimination. Yeah, it's really sad, what people are doing against some people. I've seen some bad things about my titi. Like, here's a discrimination. Guys, this is not good. We are all human beings. My wife loves me for who I am, not because of what I do or what I can do for her. And that is now conditional love. That is unconditional love. No, I mean unconditional love. And whenever you see someone who loves you for what you are, for who you are, not for what you can give them or what you can do for them, I think this is something that is beautiful. That is one of the reasons why some people that and I've seen some are further investigating my sexual issues, which I find very disturbing and unnecessary. This is what is happening. There are people who are actually trying to see saka like Zonya Zofamba. Don't even think about that. It doesn't necessarily mean that every time you see people getting into a relationship, it's all about like sekisi, all those things. It's sometimes, some people want to. So you have to know those things. So as I said before, what humans can do, great men can also do. So I'm sorry, but what keeps us going is the power of love. Hence they say love conquers everything, which is very true, and I say amen to that. Because love conquers all. It doesn't mean kuti kana kangwene ma issues aunawo, kana ne ma problems aunawo, uchange uri munhu asingakwanisi kuita zvimwe. So disability does not mean inability. I don't know. He's a man. He has made his name for himself. And the great man, if it's a great man, you know who we are talking about. So that means the guy is big. He's a great man. And kana mchifunga kuti pamwe asi munhu is not doing enough, ndiani umwe munhu anozi iwewe wacho tomboti kana uchimushora kana uchifunga kuti pamwe anopenga or something like that, iwewe tokuziva here. I don't know. Just compare yourself. Do we know you? If we don't know you, that means he's bigger than you. Even I name a condition I don't know. And also he deserves to be happy. Everyone deserves to be happy. And that's why I said it. I said it a certain time, but there's an issue my titi. And I said, no, she deserves to be happy. She's a human being just like you. She also deserves to be happy, whether you like it or you don't like it. I don't know. And I believe everybody deserves to be happy. the things that she used to do and say as a kid. I don't know. So there are some things that some people were saying about this lady as a kid. I don't know. I think it's I don't know to what is it that is wrong with people. How could someone try to excavate the unknown and try to weigh it with reality? So he's saying there are some people who are dig a background. Why are you doing that? Why are you doing that? So he's saying, to be frank enough, everyone has a past, and if we dig deeper, some are murderers, but we moved on because such are phases of life. It's true. Munhu wese antori nezvipande, hapana Mwari patiri pese pamuri mesa. Jesu akatosvika time yakati asina chitadzo tora dombo temi munhu. Madhara iwa yanga atori maFarisees nemaSadducees nemascrews nemachi. Madhara izikanwa zidzo dzadziri mbada vakatobva ipapo. Vatonona kuti iya yashata because isusu zvipande tinazvo. So I can assure you guys, munhu wese unoona achifamba pasi pezuva anotori nechipande. Zvipande zvega zvega zvauri kuona zvichingofamba zvipande. So that is what he is saying. We just have to understand and move on and forgive each other. So moreover, whatever happened before I met my wife is none of my business, which is true, man. Alright, I don't know. Do you want to know what really happened to your wife before you married him? I know kunemiwa karoro oro wachazoda uroro. Unoda here uzitanga unyazotsvakiridza kuti ambodana ningi vakambovharira muimba yakati vakazombotorana akazobvisa hembe akazodai ukada uzvitsvaga izvozvo unopona. Bozi mazuva ano vanhu vari kutangira nyaya idzi like vachiri vadiki unoziva like magrades 5 chaiko 7 totanga. So you're uchifunga kuti pauchazomuroora kane 26 years iko kakatanga kaine 12 kakadedzera kuti 12 years mileage mudhara, 12 years experience. So akada kutsvaga izvozvo kaunoita stress, my guy. So this is what the man is saying, kuti relax my friend, usatombotsvaga izvozvo hadana basa nazvo and it's none of my business. They said I don't live in the past. Exactly. So I'm concerned about the current Sivalizis because she's the one that I know. So chakakosha ndechekuti munhu wangu ndiye wandoda izvezvi, ndo zvakakosha. Kune zvotanzi aimborima mapotatoes last month, ndobva mapotatoes atadza kuibva, ndobva azochera mbeu. Aiwa, relax my guy, hazina basa zvezvo. So she's saying the character that you are depicting is your own, and I really do not worry about that one because I don't know her. So thank you for your support, but to nail this what issue, Greatman is happily married, so we keep you posted. So he said have a lovely night. So this is the Greatman, that is what he said. So kunema haters vasingafarire kuti vanhu varorane vadanane vawirirane. It's unfortunate because they said we are not going anywhere and ticharamba tichidanana, and we really want to say to you Greatman, God bless you, and may you continue going strong in your marriage, and may you love each other, and may you have beautiful life, a lovely life. So I don't know guys, what do you think about this story? What do you think about issue kuti vamwana vanenge vachingoda kuda kudenha Greatman nekumutuka nekuda sei, or some people are against the fact kuti he's married. Do you think kuti musikana wacho andoro sure munhu adaedza kutsvaga mbiri naGreatman? Or do you think kuti vanhu varongodawo haongorwadziwa but munhu zvinhu zvavo zviri kufara? I don't know. Let me know what you see, what you think, what you think, and I will see you in the next video.